Hello, Paulie from EMD Automotive. This is part 2 for the Multivan. So I've got the scan tool hooked up here. I haven't put everything back together because I need to test everything before I put the whole steering columns back. Brand new ones in. I've got the old one in my hand. That's the old one there. Put the brand new one in. So I'll put it back together when the car's all 100% fixed. And for now I'll leave it like that. And then we'll go back to, I've got the scan tool. Let's go back in there. I've got that's a fault in the system right now. Okay, so I'm going to erase these faults. Then I'll come back and check it again. Okay, that's all erased now. No more faults in the system. Now I'm going to go to gearbox. There's another fault logged in the gearbox. There you go, that's the gearbox as well. So I'm going to erase that as well. Okay, so before I could not erase the fault was always there. So we'll go back and check. No faults. I'll go back to the engine control units. Check it one more time. No more trouble codes. Alright, so now I'm gonna have a look and I'm gonna rev it up, because usually you rev it up, the light will start flashing. Beautiful. So the engine's already warm, so I won't rev it too much. That was just me stepping on the accelerator because I started to see it good. So I'll just rev a little bit because the engine is already warm. It's been running for about 10 minutes, so I can rev it now. Okay, as you can see, the light's not coming on. I can rev the car properly. Now I'm going to put everything back together and I'll do a smoke test on the actual engine later and double check the whole lot. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.